We're Smallpeice, the charity that thinks learning should be fun and easy to get hold of.
And today we're thinking inside the box.
Just because the picture on the box says STEM, so science, technology, engineering or maths, it doesn't mean what's inside is.
So we're the non-STEM experts opening up the contents.
And getting STEM experts to put what's inside to the test.
Making sure the small people in your life have fun and learn a little STEM on the way.
So, once again, we have to admit that we're a little biased on this.
Yeah.
We do like Big Manny.
Big Manny is great.
Yeah. I think, although interestingly, my kids were slightly annoyed that they didn't understand why he got a Blue Peter badge when he was on Blue Peter, because what had he actually done? And I was like, you watched him on Instagram.
Let us know, Manny.
Yeah.
Let us know.
They were like, we had to work really hard for our Blue Peter badges. He's just turned up on the TV show. Anyway, that aside, we do like him.
Manny is great, and this is called Big Manny Science INNIT.
Yeah, we like the boxes.
Yeah.
It's fun. There is, again, for us, the details on the back.
Yeah, very clear pictures, actual pictures rather than an illustration.
Watch, experiment, capture. So it says, what age group? 10 plus. So yeah, so it is a bit older. I would say that, the capturing and recording and posting, that's the only thing that I would be hesitant of. Oh, got some beakers.
Straight off the bat, we've got
some measuring beakers, so you've got up to 200 mil.
So there's no real, this is all just in here.
Oh. Yeah, but you know what? Glasses are ready to go.
Yeah.
They're good to go.
Anything else in here? Oh,
They're quite small glasses though.
ooh. So
most of the time, I genuinely think that's quite small for a 10-year-old.
Yeah.
Like my son, he's 6, his head would have trouble with that. I mean, I could go away and test it on him, but yeah. Okay, I love the fact that you just give me, I am the required instructor reader.
Oh yes.
Okay.
Wow, okay.
What have we got? Look what we've got!
A holder.
What are these called?
We'll ask our STEM experts. Oh, not one, not two, not three.
Do you know what it's called?
What's it called?
Test tube rack.
Oh!
It's in there. It's on the contents page.
Test tube rack.
Okay.
We've got 4 test tubes.
Yo, what's good? And that just sounds, I'm just like a middle-aged white woman trying to sound cool here.
Yo,
it
what's
literally is written by Big Manny.
Yeah.
I'm not as cool as him, nor would I ever attempt to be like that. It says, from here you need a hypothesis. What man thinks will happen? Then you need a method, man's game plan. After that, you get your results, what actually went down. And finally, the most important part of the conclusion, did man get it right? Do you know what? I haven't seen that in another kit.
Neither.
That is what science is all about.
It's relatable.
And then so that's all written in kind of accessible text, and then you go to the next page and it's like dull parent stuff. So it's like advice for supervising adults, first aid information, safety rules. These are the things that may upset you in the kit. So it's got all the hazards and stuff in it. Oh, do you know what? It's got a microscope you can attach to your phone camera. Wow. Okay, so the worries that I had about the camera phone, actually this is a pretty good idea.
I'm still going with emptying all this out.
Yeah.
So much.
Keep going. Do you know what we should do? Should we just move the table back a little bit? So we can see what's there. How to clean a test tube. I haven't seen that before.
No, neither.
Do you know what? I like this. They've got clear instructions per experiment.
Can you guess?
Yes.
How great is that?
And again, it's in Manny writing. So I think when Manny's speaking, is where the kids want to be reading it. Oh, that's the microscope that you put on your phone.
How interesting.
Well, that is very cool. This kit was quite expensive. This one was
33.
£33. But a tripod and a microscope piece on its own with a bit of science is probably worth it.
Black gloves.
I'm so impressed.
Red cabbage juice powder.
That's very cool. Cool.
Ooh.
So there's 10 experiments in here. That is very clever. It's got
Branded.
Big Manny on this. Oh, he's done well for that. Oh, keyring.
Oh.
Meh.
Yeah.
Oh, look, you can turning milk into plastic. Mad thing.
Mad thing.
Yeah, ingredients. Scoop. Oh, so you need like the scoop, the beaker, the spatula, plastic mold, keyring. All of those things are in green, which is that it's in the box. Then what you then need to add is 150 mils of cow's milk, food colouring, saucepan, white vinegar, sieve, paper towels. So you need all of those.
Yeah.
So in his, he's got BM because it's got Big Manny. Big Manny. Don't break stuff.
Sorry. It's durable.
Watch me do this experiment and explain more about the science.
YouTube videos.
QR code. QR code.
Brilliant.
I think the only thing missing from that is I would possibly put a picture of Manny,
Yeah.
like a screenshot,
Yeah.
to encourage the young people to be able
That's
to
what
sort of
they're
go, so make sure that that's they're watching. But I would say some of these my kids have probably seen.
Yeah.
So they
100%.
already know
what to do.
what to do because they've seen him. I think it works really well. What do you think?
100%. I think this is great. I think it's got, like, yet again, it's got these
Containers?
containers full of
Chemicals?
That's it. Containers full of chemicals.
Like, I would say that the only thing for me is, like, once you've emptied the box, there isn't that neatness that you can put it all away.
Yeah.
You just end up, like, when you say, right guys, come on guys, it's time to pack up, where do you put all of that? But it's just super cool.
Pretty cool. I think we should go show our STEM experts.
Yeah, I think we
we'll
should.
like this.
Yeah, definitely.
Cool.
We're smitten.
Chuffed.
All right, thank you. So we're back to Big Manny. What did the STEM guys say?
I've never seen them so happy. They were so, like, unbelievably chuffed. I think they're a bit bored of all, like, the regular talking stuff, aren't they?
Yeah.
Big Manny has a great tone of voice on this.
Yeah, I think it was the accessibility that they talked about that they really liked, along with the science piece. So as you can see, it's really highly scored. For the educational, the fun, so the QR codes really made it for them because loads of the science content is in that.
Yeah.
So they've kept the book as simple as possible of like these are the things that you want. They liked the layout of all of the experiment piece, that worked really well. It's scored slightly less both in terms of durable, sustainable, reusable, because obviously once the experiments are done,
They're done.
yeah. So you have to get them, but you could just get the stuff again.
Yeah, 100%.
The only thing that they did say is that although it was like the language was more accessible, I think the price point and then that assumption that you're not technically, it was the use of the phone, like that you would automatically have access to it, and it formed quite a bit of it when you were looking at the instructions to begin with, and that might put some people off. The idea that you automatically have access to a phone and that you can use it
And post it.
that was, they were kind of a bit unsure that it was as accessible, but we still gave it like absolute solid ratings. And because of that, we will be giving it to a school, and so we're going to be giving it to Eden Girls Leadership Academy in Birmingham. We think that they'll hopefully love it as much as we, or at least there'll be someone in the school who'll get it, they'll love it. Genuinely think that the 10 epic chemistry experiments which are on the box,
just
solid piece of work.
so cool. Thanks, Manny.
Thank you.